Welcome everyone. This is the Teach Me Forex weekly wrap session for February the 12th, 2010. Well, it was another week traded is gone by. We're going into a long weekend in the US, and let's see how the week went here. So in our intraday team trade rooms, they were on fire this week. 20 trades, 20 wins, 349 pips, 8.5% ROI. On the swing side of things, there was 16 trades that came to an end. There's still two open. The 16 that came to an end, 7 wins, 9 losses, 83 positive pips, only 0.4% ROI. Let's look at the intraday this week. So 349 pips, 8.5% ROI. That's on 20 trades, no loss. What a winning ratio. And here is a spreadsheet that's well kept by Coach Walt Gaffney. And look at that Wednesday, folks. 136 big ones. And Tuesday was not too bad either. And this is the moment to take a look at our trade of the week in the intraday team trade room. So I will pass the monitor to Coach Wally right now. Here you go.
Thanks, Eric. Yes, we had a very nice week this week, but especially on Wednesday. The market was very kind to us that day. By 9:30 on Wednesday morning, 9:30 Eastern, 6:30 Pacific, we had a trade setup called at the break of 137.22 here on the euro dollar pair. It had a very nice PPA projection. Let's see what happened with that setup. Didn't really trigger until the 10 a.m. candle. So it triggered, it went a few pips. On the next candle, it went to our PPA, which was about 16 pips down the road. But there were no signs to get out of this trade, and we remained in that trade until we had 44 net pips, fairly stressless. Now, that was the best trade of a very good week, and it's a nice way to end this week and go into the holiday weekend. We wish you all the best and safety, and we'll see you next Friday. Eric?
Thank you very much, Wally. Good job. I'll take this back, and here we go. And let's talk a little bit about the power of 10, because each of these days, we did have the ability to open and close 10 net pips in a trading account. And if we would have done that just with these 10 net pips, this is how this week would have went down. We would have our starting principal was $2,868 and 10 pips per day. Here's the daily profit. We end up the week with $3,113 for, again, 8.5% ROI. So that's the power of 10 pips per day, 5 days a week. Let's go on the swing side of things for now. And our results were 83 positive pips, only 0.4% ROI this week still. And we still got two trades that are positive right now with over 70 pips accumulated on top here. So this is only going to go up. 7 wins, 9 losses this week. Here are the specific results. And we're going to bring in the trade of the week, which was over here on the lifestyle system on the 132 accumulated pips. So here it is. So the actual trade almost took place over here, but this wick fell short of some confirmations we were looking for, but this one over here did not. And after this red candle formed, we had all our indicators turned to tell us that this was a potential top. And believing the Fibonacci, believing the trend lines the way we do, we were able to get into this trade right around this level, the 50 level here. And well, an image is worth 1,000 words. This dropped down. This monthly pivot, we took some profit. On the way back down, we took some more profits here. Just at this 0% Fibonacci, because we already did that there. And our last stop loss got triggered over here. So for a blended total of just over 130 pips per lot traded on this trade, and we've got to call that our trade of the week. After lots of consolidation in the early going, the US dollar finally got on its bandwagon once again. So that's the euro again this week. All right, and what does this mean as far as money is concerned, you say? Well, we're introducing Tommy Trader, our hypothetical trader, and let's take a look with a Teach Me Forex money management how the accounts would be doing. So we've got the intraday trading account for Tommy, and Tommy trades the swing trading account. And Tommy started the year with 2,000 in each of his two accounts. And let's see where Tommy's at today. So the way Tommy manages these accounts, Tommy uses the power of 10 for intraday, so his goal is 10 net pips per day. And in the swing account, we want to take all the potential setups that are available. So in the intraday account, we started the week at $2,868, ended up at $3,113 for a net profit of $245. And in the swing account, well, it was a quieter week at $3,165 to start and $3,177 to finish, so a $12 profit plus what's open right now, giving us right now a profit that we took already, that's banked in the account, of $257 for the week. And for the year so far, started from 2000, well, we're already banked over almost 2,300 worth of profit this year between the two accounts. So good job, Tommy. Again, here are a flash at this week's results. And we really believe in this, folks. You give a man a fish, he will eat for a day. But you teach him how to fish, he will eat for a lifetime. And we'd like you to allow us to be your Forex fishing guide. Let's fish together and help you supplement your current income. And for more info on who we are, what we do, how we do it, please visit us at www.teachmeforex.com. There's also our Twitter page at www.twitter.com/teachmeforex. Leave us a line there. And if you have some more specific question you want to talk to or get in touch with one of us directly, info@teachmeforex.com is the email you need. Help us fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world. And folks, how do we do that? One trader at a time, and we hope you're next. Finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, we wish you a happy and safe weekend.